Move, Joshua. She's trying to put him in there.
Oh, is that video?
Yeah, and I just said that on the video, but oh well. You just gonna stare, love? Put him up. Good girl.
Oh, wow, 2 at a time.
She just did that. They weren't paying attention. There's nothing else. Maybe a shoe that you're probably gonna put in there. Yep. Anything else? Books? Okay.